Hello children, welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach class 9th biology from the remaining portions, that is 14th chapter natural resources. Okay, it's been a long time that I have not posted any video of 9th class, so I have been trying to post something or study something. So today I'll teach you from the leftover portions. So today in my previous video you might have seen that I had taught you about earth, its natural resources, air and climate control. So today the next topic, that is winds. So what is winds? When group of air blow, when air blow gently or harshly, you can write when air blows gently or vigorously, then it is called wind. Okay, so wind, when air is blowing softly or vigorously, it is called wind. Now winds are either we call this wind as like this. Normally the gentle wind are called as breeze. Gentle wind. Okay, and the more high vigorous winds are called as storms. Wind, breeze and storm. Now thing to remember is that when our atmosphere is heating, when our climate is heating, then we get hot air or hot winds. When it is cooling down, then we get it low winds. Now the thing is that we know that the land, it heats up earlier than the water. Land heats early than water or oceans. So if this is the land, then when it is heating, then the air above the land is also heating. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so I was telling, when the land is heated, then the upper air is also heating. That is why the air is moving from hot area to cold area. In night time we call it as land breeze. That means land breeze. Land breeze means the hot air blows from land to oceans. Similarly, in daytime, ocean breeze, the hot air from ocean to the land, it blows. So this is the thing that happens normally in all the cases. Land breeze, then the cool breeze. Now we should know that when there are mountains, when mountains are there, then the wind gets strike to the mountains and they stay there. So that mountain area, hilly areas are having high wind, and they are feeling very cold because of this high altitude. So there is the reason that wherever high regions are there, more amount of wind is there, and also very low temperature is there. So this is all about the winds. The next we will talk is about rain. Rain. We know that the water cycle from very childhood, from very childhood you are learning that water cycle, that means evaporation, then condensation, then precipitation. This is continuously going in the our ecosystem or our earth. Evaporation. First of all, the oceans, they are heated and the water vapor goes to the clouds. They form the cloud, that is called as condensation. When too much heavy clouds are formed, they fall as rain on cooling, and that is called as precipitation. This is a continuous cycle. This forms the rain. Now what used to be needed by the rain? Normally this happens in a very large scale, means very much time it takes to build up clouds, then to precipitate. Now while doing the precipitation also, the amount of dust and other things mix up with the rain and fall to the ground. So that is why we call that rainwater is very pure, but while falling it mixes with the nearby areas and it is impure. So this is all about rain. Mostly in India we call monsoons. Now monsoons are going on. So monsoons, in monsoon season, during monsoons we get very large quantity of rain. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, more and more the rain comes. So this is the monsoon season, so more amount of rain is there, so that is why flood is there. Our India is is having a temperate climate, not too much hot, not too much cold. So the rain quantity is very much in our India because of hills, then the atmosphere here, everything is there. So this make up that the rain is more here. Next, air pollution. Our next topic is, sorry, my pen is not working. Air pollution. Whenever we are burning something, then the remaining particles are mixing with the nearby air. For example, like we are burning coal, petrol, diesel, etc. So what they are releasing, they are burning of course for our various purposes, but they are releasing some dangerous gases like nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Okay, these are very dangerous. They are mixing with our environment, mixing with our air and making it polluted. This is called air pollution. They mix with air and make it polluted. They mix with air and make it polluted. So as a result, what is happening? Our air is getting polluted. So this is air pollution. More amount is that if more air pollution will be there, then our temperature, our atmospheric temperature will increase. Okay, resulting in the increase in atmospheric pressure. What will happen if more amount of atmospheric, sorry, not pressure, temperature. If more amount of atmospheric temperature will increase, then gradually our earth will get hotter and hotter, resulting in the death of sorry, my mic just fall down. Okay, so I was telling, if more amount of air pollution will be there, then more in temperature will increase, which will result in the increase in the temperature of the earth. As a result, it will be a fatal situation, mean death situation of human beings, of animals, and of different organisms. Okay, so it is a very very difficult situation for all of us. Okay, so this is all about your air and air pollution. Now we will talk about water and water pollution. These all things are not new, they are already old. You are reading this from your very earlier classes, you might be studying about this. So next is water. Everything in this world is made up of water, and mostly everyone needs water. So it is our duty that we should have proper amount of water. Like our body is made up of, our body is made up of 70 to 75% of water, or you can call to 90% of water. Our body is made up of 90% of water, and in which we are drinking water, we are urinating water, sweats are coming, saliva is there. So many places water is used. Similarly, in our world also, our world is made up of 75% of water, from which 0.2% is fresh water, that is able to drink, we can drink. But from 0.2%, many waters are in the forms of glaciers, means ice. Water is in the form of ice or frozen form. So the water is not accessible, so we are depending on only groundwater to drink. In our earth there are many fishes, aquatic animals that depend on water for survival. Their existence is not above the soil but under the water. Inside water only they can breathe, they can live. So for them also water is necessary, because they have terrestrial animals or plants, we take air from the oxygen, we take oxygen from the air, but aquatic animals and plants, they take dissolved oxygen. What they take? Dissolved oxygen, and they do their respiration, they breathe, they acquire food, they do all the things. Okay, so this level of water should be maintained, it should not be reduced, so that nobody can get problem. Now water pollution, the next is water pollution. Whatever I am telling, you should note it down. Okay, water pollution is saying that, what is water pollution? Industries, household waste, etc. are dumped in water. Means the industries and household waste and so many other waste are dumping in water. As a result, the water is becoming dirty and unusable for the other things. Okay, so what type of water they are deposited? Either in rivers or lakes. Now you may say, sir, what will happen if we are dumping like this? What are its effects? So first effect is that it will destroy all the nutrients of the water. if we will not stop this, then these nutrients will not be there, and the animals inside the water, aquatic animals and plants, will not get proper nutrients in water. Then next, temperature also will increase. Temperature will increase because of this dumping hot, the human waste and industrial waste, they are very warm. They get inside the water and the water will also become warm. So as a result, the temperature will increase, and the animals and plants living in water will not get enough temperature or good temperature for survival. That is an important thing. Then the fertilizers can kill many aquatic plants and animals. Fertilizers are having poisonous substances, so that can mix with water and it can kill the many organisms. So we should be helpful, so that water should not mix with the aquatic plants and animals. Okay, so let it be for today. In my next class, I'll teach you mineral riches in the soil, then biogeochemical cycles. We will start from it. So till then, stay at home, be safe, and write the notes and submit me. Thank you.